Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Belinda, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, and thank you for joining us yet again. Thank you for the love, thank you for the support. So today I'll be talking about your winter skincare routine. I'm going to be giving you guys tips and tricks on how to keep your skin smooth and how to keep it moist, because when the weather is so dry, I don't know about other parts of the world, but right now in South Africa we're experiencing winter. It's winter season from June up until August. So that means my skin gets drier, the air is dry, it's harder for me to maintain the moisture within my skin. So that means I need to take extra precautions in making sure that my skin stays moisturized and stays very plump and just good. So I'll be talking about the products that I use. So I don't know about you guys, but I don't use the same products that I normally use in summer than I do in winter. In summer I like fresh, rosy, and coconut and springy and berries. Those are the flavors that I go for when it comes to, or should I say, ingredients that I go for when it comes to products that I use on my skin. I like very fruity flavors, but when it comes to winter I like more subtle and warm flavors to my products. So without wasting your time, let's get into it. So first and foremost, I every single day without fail use a washcloth. Every single day I use a washcloth on my body and on my face. I have one for my face and I have one for my body. In conjunction with that, I use exfoliating gloves. You can find them at Clicks, you can find them at ShopRite, you can find them at Pick and Pay, and Dischem. Any store that sells toiletries most of the time has them. If you can't find them, you can, I don't know, just go to other stores and ask about them, but 9 times out of 10 you'll find them at the stores that I just mentioned. So in conjunction with that, for my feet, because I, just like I said, my skin gets drier, which means that also my heels and my feet get a lot drier, which means that I get a lot of flaky dry skin. I use a foot pumice. It's a small stone that they sell at Clicks. I bought this one at Clicks. As you can see, I've been using it quite a lot. It works wonders. Every day when I take a bath or I take a shower, I will go on my heels and under my feet, and that means that as soon as I apply my body lotion and my body oil, my skin will be smooth. So coming to my bath or shower routine, these are the products that I use when I take a bath. So first and foremost, I always use foam bath. I don't use it every single day, but probably every second day or every third day, just to maintain my pH balance. So this is the one that I use in winter. It's from Also Heavenly. It is called the Luxurious Foam Bath Cream. When I say that this is great for your skin, I am not joking. It is so good, guys. Like I said, I tend to gravitate towards very creamy and very moisturizing products. So this is a great start to add to your water, because it's very moisturized, as opposed to the normal foam baths that tend to dry your skin and strip away your moisture. This is a great one for winter time. So in conjunction with that, I use Dettol soap. Is it the right way around? Let me see. I use Dettol soap, specifically this one, which is the even tone one. The reason why I use this one is because it has less chemicals and it's not very harsh on your skin. So if you have sensitive dry skin like me, you want to use this. It does not have a lot of chemicals or added scents. It's not scented at all. I don't use scented soaps, even though I use foam baths. Most of them are not scented. So in conjunction with that, I've just discovered this baby. Listen, when I tell you this is the holy grail for dry sensitive skin, listen. So this is it's the Body Shop shower cream. So I use this one mainly because it's a cream, it's not a soap or a liquid soap. So when you use it, it does not strip away the moisture on your skin. It actually restores it. So as much as it cleans your skin, but it leaves it very soft, and it just feels like you were in a spa. I promise you, I kid you not. It feels so good on your skin, and it doesn't leave you dry. It doesn't have that feeling where your skin is like tight. You know how your skin feels after taking a bath when you've used really harsh products. It doesn't leave you dry. It's really, really good, guys. I highly recommend it. I'll be using it throughout winter. I bought 2 of them. So like I told you guys, I exfoliate my body every single day, which is one of the reasons why I use exfoliating gloves. I normally use the purple one, which is a very beautiful scent. It has this blueberry scent. I have opted for this one. And when I tell you guys, it smells so good. So this is a body scrub. It's from a brand called Sobe. Sobe is sold at Clicks stores. It is it's a scrub, right? But this one is specifically for age control, which means it helps in in stopping the aging on your skin. Based off of the ingredients that are used in it, guys. When I tell you, this smells like heaven. It smells so good. I normally use the purple one, which I mentioned in my other skincare routine, which is my summer skincare routine. You guys can check it out. This is the holy grail of body scrubs. I've used quite a lot of body scrubs, but this one comes highly recommended for me. So I don't know about you guys, but I take 2 baths a day. I love using products with like chamomile and cinnamon and tea tree when I bath. So I have discovered this body wash. It is also from Sobe. Yes, here it is. It is the Sobe sleep body wash. It has lavender and chamomile, and when I tell you guys, when you use this and you go to bed, you feel so peaceful. So what I also do is, in my bath water, when I bath at night, I always add lavender oil and tea tree oil. They are both essential oils. Like I mentioned in my other video, I always use essential oils in my bath water. So this, for nighttime routine, highly recommend. 10 out of 10. If it's not this one, it's usually the Also Heavenly lavender wash. The lavender one from Also Heavenly also has chamomile, and I don't remember, I think tea tree or lemon oil in it. This is perfect. And you know what I love about Sobe products? Sobe products are very good for your skin. If you have sensitive skin, they are a spa, so that means that they pay a lot of attention towards the ingredients that they add in their products, and this will maintain the moisture in your body. Moving on to the products that I use after I take a bath or a shower. So first and foremost, I use Micham deodorant. It's really good if you are someone who's trying to stay fresh all the time. So I don't know if you've noticed, but because in winter we dress quite warmly, sometimes you just happen to be maybe in an area or a place where there's a heater, and because you dress so much, your body starts sweating more to try and cool itself down. Using this, if you use this, you know what I'm talking about. You know that it will help you to stay fresh all day. I'm trying to show you guys. Yeah, it helps you to stay fresh all day. It's a gel as opposed to the normal deodorant that we use. I love it. Highly recommend. 10 out of 10. Nivea came out with a new body lotion. It is the oil in lotion. It has coconut and monoi oil. Guys, when I started using this body lotion, because normally when I start putting lotion on my skin, I usually add my body oil to my body lotion. Guys, ever since I've been using this, I don't need to add that much body oil like I normally would. So I highly recommend it. It smells so good. The solution is so good. It just keeps your skin moisturized throughout the day. You do not need to add a body oil if you're using this. You do not need. Listen to what I'm saying. You don't need to. It is so moisturizing, and I choose the one that says normal to dry skin, and it works wonders for me. So this in winter is just the holy grail. Also the way it smells. I don't know how you guys what you guys think of coconut in products, but yo, it smells so good, guys. It just smells totally good. So when I bought this, I bought the body lotion that comes with it. Guys, it smells so good. It smells so good. It gives winter. It gives cottage. It gives warm. It gives honey, milk and honey. It smells so good. It smells so good. This is how it looks. This is how it looks. Yeah, and the great part is how moisturizing it is. So because for me the solution is not so thick and oily, I use this and I go in on top with this Bramley tissue oil. This is the holy grail of tissue oils. So the reason why I use this one is because number one, it smells so good. So this is the Coca Heaven one. Guys, when I tell you, this is how the bottle looks. Let me just do this. Guys, when I tell you, this smells so good. It smells like coconut. It smells coca. It smells like coca butter. It smells like shea butter. It smells so good. It smells so good. So you can imagine how good it smells when you use it with this milk and honey. It gels. It works so well together. It keeps me so moisturized throughout the day. Throughout the day, there's no compromise. I smell good. My skin stays moisturized. On the days when I don't feel like wearing this Nivea one, I know I can go for this one from the Body Shop. The Body Shop, like I said, is sold at Clicks stores. They also have their own store. So before we forget, it does not matter if it's summer or winter, we still wear SPF. So I use this one like I showed you guys in the previous video. I use this one. This one is from Nivea. I love it's for Nivea Kids. The reason why I use the kids one is because I just feel like it's stronger. I don't know, it's just my opinion. I use it on both my body and my face. Guys, when I tell you, it has changed my life. It changed the texture of my skin. I've also realized that I have less blemishes. It just takes care overall of your skin. So this is my winter skincare routine. Obviously, I will then add whatever else that I need to add on top, but yeah, this is the basic stuff that I use to stay moisturized and to keep my skin looking good and glossy. I don't know if you can tell, but can you see how healthy my skin is? It's very healthy, and usually I have very dry skin, so this works wonders for me throughout winter. I don't have to worry about moisturizing my heels or moisturizing my hands that much, because my skincare routine compensates for that. So guys, if you've made it this far, thank you so much for tuning in. I pray and hope that you guys will subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to tell a friend to come and watch my video.